Hi, here's a quick tour of my sailing canoe. While we're sailing, normally it's all packed up. So my lee board fort here is a super brace, super strong. It's a windsurfing centerboard, paddleboard. But it does the job. Could be a bit bigger or longer or deeper. That's right. My rig, I just have a single halyard here. Simple rig, homemade rig. It's very good. I just tie it off here and it lowers in a shot. That just and you can see I've tied off my sheet here for the minute. I don't do that if it's gusty or blowy, but it means that the mainsail will sort itself out unless I tack. My outrigger is actually on this hacker here, and that's literally just lashed to the fort of the boat. Nothing fancy there, and that's just bolted on there. That just comes off and untightened once. You can see it kind of moves with the waves. It's kind of good. It's got a bit of give. Things that give don't snap. I've got an offset rudder here, and it's also got a Norwegian tiller on the top. So it's push-pull, it's back to port. And that is bungeed off here. But it holds course very well. I can adjust it at the same time. It just holds the position. And finally, we've got the mizzen, which I don't always sail with. So that's just fitted in there on the bottom. Braced here, it's all a bit of a mess. And that's self-tacking, that's got a cleat there. And apart from me, from here, that's about it. Also got an anchor set here, ready to go. I'll be sleeping on that tonight. That's it. Pour over.